Fithian, Agronomy Manager at Rob Seco.
And I'm Nate Meyer, Product Evaluation Lead at Rob Seco.
We'd like to talk to you a little bit today about the importance of including a base herbicide in your soybean weed control program. Nate, let's talk a little about the benefits of putting a broad spectrum residual herbicide down in your soybeans.
Well, I think that's one of the most important things is having a good residual down to start with when you're out planting your soybeans. Something that's going to give you more than just a week long of residual. As you know now, we have weeds that are emerging from planting all the way through the summer. So whatever we can do to get ahead of those weeds right now and keep them small and being able to control them with other herbicides as well, I think is really important.
I agree, Nate. I really like the fact that when you put a pre down in your soybeans, it gives you time. You don't have to think about making that post-application right away after the soybean come up. It gives you a little bit of time. It gives you time to kind of see what's going to come, see what kind of pressure you're going to have. But mostly, you don't have to go out there right away and make another application. You can keep your beans clean without that need to go right away, and that helps you on the backside, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, the further you can wait, one of the best things that is going to control weeds is actually going to be canopy closure. So the further that along you can get your soybeans, having a clean field, the closer you can get to canopy, which is going to be probably your best weed control.
Yeah, and one of the things you might consider in situations where you have really heavy weed pressure is doing a foundation rate of that pre-emerge or that soil residual herbicide, maybe 2/3 of a rate, and then adding the rest of it to your post-emerge program so that you gain that time before you have to make your second application, but you also then you keep some additional residual to get you into canopy closure or maybe even a little past canopy closure.
Right, and that's an important thing we need to look, especially as we look at a weed like water hemp, because something like that is going to be emerging all summer long. So whatever we can do to have that foundation to get us to canopy closure with a clean field is important.
So when I think about what soil applied residual herbicide I'm going to use, do I have more grass pressure? Do I have more broadleaf pressure? What are some things I need to think about before I go talk to my chem rep about which product I might use?
I think that's absolutely what you need to do. If you know you have a problem field and it's going to be broadleaves, you need to focus on a product that's going to control those. If it's grasses, then obviously you need to pick out a product that's going to focus on grasses.
And in some cases, in those really weedy fields, you might need to use a combination, something that's going to get you some grass control along with something that's going to get you some broadleaves. For Rob Seco, this is Nate and Wayne, and we've been talking about soybean herbicides. And for more information on this topic, contact your Rob Seco representative. You can find that person by going to robseco.com and clicking on Find a Rep.